Hello and welcome to the nuts and bolts of elder law and estate administration, co-sponsored by the New Jersey Institute for Continuing Legal Education in New Jersey, in conjunction with New Jersey State Bar Association Elder Law Committee, and we're giving advice to attorneys and professionals on preparation of documents, and this is the third part of the series. And we've discussed the interview, we've discussed the document preparation. Now we're going into the document signing. Now, nowadays, oftentimes, document signing is delegated to the staff. And why is that? Well, the attorney, there's only two things the attorney can do. I'd say give legal advice and go to court. Other things have been delegated. And it's typically, I like to at least call the clients ahead of time, make sure they got the document and they've read it ahead of time. But once they get to the office, my office asks 3 quick questions. Did you read the will? Did you mail or fax in any changes? If the changes, did you review them this morning? And are you ready to sign? After we get the yeses in, on the day of signing, we remove the children and beneficiary from the room. And do not notarize anything if you do not see them sign. Occasionally, a client will ask you to notarize something you did not see them. And you can respond back, well, I can't sell you any marijuana. That is a criminal offense. And I cannot sign anything or notarize anything where I did not see them sign, because that is a criminal offense also. Let's see again. Where do the originals go? Well, Ethics Opinion 691 says that the originals are properties of the client, so we give the originals to the client now. For many years we used to hold them ourselves, and then it became a house because that's our responsibility. So the originals go to the client. Let's see. What do we do after the signing? Let's say, well, we send out a post-will letter. And in the post-will letter, we suggest that they provide the executor with business cards to contact us prior to going to the surrogate if they have questions if someone passes away. We also remind everyone that that the file is closed, but we want future business. And again, please have the family and friend contact us regarding the will. We send out a will questionnaire to ask, or in every case, asking how we did, so we can improve our service and make sure that the clients are satisfied. It's a good idea to include a stamped self-addressed envelope to make sure you get it back in. Let's see, we advise the client we have different brochures, and if anyone wants any copies of any of the brochures listed, send us an email and we will mail you copies of those. We also ask for the email address so we can provide information to them through our monthly newsletter. Occasionally a professional may be referred a case. Even if we do not handle the case, or it's not something we do, we send out a thank you for referral fax. And I'll take a pen, and it's not typed, you just fill in the person's name, and sometimes I'll put in a comment such as, like, person did not want to pay consultation fee, let's see, or not the kind of case we handle, or a person wanted us to handle matter on contingency we don't handle, just so they're not sending us cases that we won't handle in the future. Occasionally we refer cases out. Same thing. It's a good idea to follow up with that attorney to send a referral out for a few reasons. Number one, I'd say sometimes the client might forget your name. I'd say I assume other professionals ask where were you referred, and sometimes they might just say another attorney. I'd say in our fax out, we ask someone just to fax back after a week and let us know, was there an appointment? Did the person contact you? Yes or no? I'd say if we don't get a response within a week, we have a stamp or second request. Please respond whether or not this person came in to see you. Yes or no? Because it could be a friend of ours. We don't want to be referring someone out to an attorney that doesn't return phone calls, doesn't respond, because that makes us look bad. If an attorney doesn't respond after the first two, we send them that back, and I take a Sharpie out and write in, I guess you're too busy for new clients and new referrals. we won't bother you with sending anyone further. And that sometimes wakes people up. If it's not the kind of case that you want to handle or do handle, and there's a statute of limitations issue, it's a good idea the professional send out a no representation letter and give a phone number for a lawyer referral. If it's a client that you don't believe has a will, we have a recommend will to client letter, which is a good idea. Sometimes people just need prodding, and to help people out, we also have a website just devoted to wills and elder law issues. That's called Central Jersey Elder Law.com. And so we invite anyone who's listening to this program to go to centraljerseyelderlaw.com, and for other information, call the law office of Kenneth Vercammen, 732-572-0500. Thank you, and good luck.